First, you need a cup. Then put in some banana and smash it. Protein powder. Pa! I got some buckwheat farine. Milk demi-écrémé. And some chocolate. Walnut oil and cinnamon powder. Then I got some flavor drop and stevia to make it sweet, of course. Baking powder. Ta-da! Here's some flaxseed and spirulina. Super good for digestion. Hemp seeds, you know why. When you mix everything and it looks kinda like this, then you know it's macaroni ready. See you later. And it's ready. Enjoy this gluten-free cake. It's so delicious.